Xiaomi has launched the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro Refresh in China, with a larger 12.4-inch display, a bigger 10,000 mAh battery, and more. The Pad 5 Pro, to recall, was initially launched with an 11-inch screen. The new model is clearly aimed at giving buyers more screen real estate, while keeping much of the core hardware same as before, though there are areas where Xiaomi has taken a few steps back, too. Like the 11-inch model, the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 is also exclusive to China at the time of writing, with no word on global availability. Last month, Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 in China. Since launch, it has been available in 6, 8, and 12 GB of RAM variants. Now, the company has announced a new 8 GB of RAM variant for people in the home market who are looking forward to purchasing the Pad 5 Pro 12.4. The Pad 5 Pro has been available in variants like 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, and 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage in China. These models are priced at 2,799 yuan or $403, 3,299 yuan or $476, and 3,999 yuan or $576, respectively. Xiaomi is yet to confirm the price and availability of the new variant that offers 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. It is likely that the new model could be priced at 2,999 yuan or $433 in the home market. The Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 has a 12.4-inch IPS LCD display that offers a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels, an aspect ratio of 16 by 10, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and 500 nits of brightness. It carries support for Dolby Vision, and comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection for the screen. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Pad 5 Pro 12.4 features the Snapdragon 870 chipset. It is coupled with up to 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and up to 256 GB of native storage. There is no microSD card slot on the device. It runs on the Android 12 OS with MIUI Pad 13 custom skin on top. On the front, it has a 20-megapixel camera, and its back panel has a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an LED flash. It houses a 10,000 mAh battery that carries support for 67-watt fast charging. The device is fitted with quad speakers, and carries support for styles. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.